Hello creative friends, Marjolaine here with a Gelpress infused Bible journaling page. Today I am using a Gelpress Petite heart and butterfly, as well as the heart from the Faith Impressions kit and an 8x10 Gelpress plate and economy brayer. I am also using the Sweet Love of God Printable from 12 Stone Scrapbooking. Today I'm working in my interleave Bible, so I have a full blank canvas to work on. I start by creating a background. I have pulled gold and gray colors from the Printable, and I'm rolling these two colors of paint onto my 8x10 Gelpress plate. Here you can see lines in my paint. It's because my art table is a mess. I didn't clean up much after I made my Gelpress snow globe shaker box, so a bead got stuck to the wet paint of my brayer. I think it's really time to clean up, but I probably said that the last time. My next step is to use this beautiful word stencil from StencilGirl. It's called Sacred Words and Marks Stencil. I'm gently rolling my brayer over the stencil to make sure that there's a good imprint in the paint. Here I'm moving my plate closer to the other edge of my acrylic plate so that I can have my background on most of the page and as close to possible near the crease. I want my words to be right side up as well. Now I'm pressing down to get the paint onto my page. I have a habit of pressing too hard and that can squish the pattern from the stencil, so do remember to be gentle. I love this background, especially the bits of blue that came off. Sometimes it pays off to be messy. Next, I'm working on some embellishments to add to my page. These petite plates are perfect for so many projects. I'm simply using my economy brayer to spread some red and pink Dilutions paint onto the plate, and then I'm stamping them onto my paper. I also use the repeat circle Gelpress Impressables to add a fun pattern to my embellishment. Next, I flip the butterfly petite plate to get the mirror image for the other side of the butterfly. I decide to make some extra hearts as well. As to not waste any paint, I clean off my Impressables on my background to add texture. This page is based on a few verses and has more to do with sweetness than love, but I had love on my mind, so I went with that. The verses I used were, "A longing fulfilled is sweet to the soul," and "How sweet are your words to my taste," and "Taste and see that the Lord is good." pulled out some walnut stained distressing to make my elements feel a little more vintage and make them stand out a little more on the page. To adhere my smaller pieces, I decided to pull out my Xyron sticker maker. I love using it, and it makes it so much easier. Once I have all my pieces in place and adhered, I decide to add some details. I would recommend doing this before gluing everything down. I use a fine black marker to add some doodling to my elements and to the page. As is my habit, I trace my words with carbon paper and then go over it with a black marker. As a mixed media artist, I love layers and texture, and one of my favorite things to do is use a script stamp all over my art. This is definitely something that I should have done before sticking everything to the page, but it's never too late to add this layer. My last step is to splatter some black watercolor over the page, which I think finishes the page off quite nicely. That's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button and remember to subscribe to the Gelpress channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.